going on? Well, another Sunday video. Still not gonna work on these. I got a lot to do. Get the Blue Thunder car ready for, it's actually tomorrow's race. So this video will be out after, but after that day. So yeah, I can't dedicate no time to these right now. So gonna go do that. I gotta check something out on the 57. I'm hearing a noise. So I got a little things I need to do a little cleanup at the shop, and yeah, pretty much it. I ain't been able to really spend any money on getting anything done on this. The only thing I could be doing is getting the engine cleaned up and ready, but I may try to do that here in the following week. I've just been super busy. So, and it's been like hot, like just stupid hot. It's not going to be enjoyable riding these things when it's 200 degrees outside. So I'm going to go to the shop, check out the 57, do some cleaning up on the Blue Thunder and getting some little things finalized, and I'll take y'all along for the ride. Cleaned up, got doors working except for one. They gotta come back and work on it. But hey, a little progress is still progress. The old building, you kind of make it better than she was. I feel like that movie, was it Great Outdoors, where they take a fish restaurant and go enter a sailboat race. Got the old girl up to par to do some serious stuff. So that was a cool movie. I like John Candy. Oh, that fell down. Better than she was. I'm gonna go in there and exercise the door a little bit, and we'll get on this. Fire's right up, so that's a good thing. Get out of here. We don't want you in here no more. and a mirror. We start putting stickers on this mirror. Everybody's got a sticker. We'll put your sticker on this mirror. I can look either way. Yeah, you can see my face this way and you can see my face this way. So we're gonna put, I got these are the only ones I got with me right now. But yeah, you got a sticker, get with me, send it to me. I'm gonna put mine right here. It's probably crooked. Or if somebody decides they want to be a member to the BAM channel, I'll write the YouTube username or your name on the mirror, and then every time the mirror's seen on the channel, you'll see your sticker or your name. I'll put this one right here. Right here. It's pretty cool. You can still see me, can't you? Shut this light off. Yeah, I'm not working on it. I got so much other stuff to do, and I want to work on them, but just ain't able. So check this out. This is a Poppy's Patina that I put on. It's 2 to 3 coats, and it just looks like crap. As you can see, it just spotted up like crazy. I don't like it. And she's being nosy. But, so I'm gonna try to redo that here in the near future and get this roof finished. And try to do it before September. We got a trip in September, going to a car show, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I can't wait to do that. Yeah. I kind of like the clear I put on that truck, so I may try it out on this car too and see what it looks like. Hopefully the hood, the hood will clear up and not look so crappy. But, well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Sorry, no mini bikes again. Just got a lot going on trying to get the race car ready and get the shop ready and checking this thing out. I had to get that done today too. I had kind of a free day, somewhat of a free day. Be wide open again Monday. Got a lot coming. Good video coming up next week, or after this video. So tell your buds, like and subscribe. Go back and watch some of my other videos, and we will catch y'all on the next one.